You don't need to work harder to make 10, 20 or 30K a month. You don't need a bigger audience, you don't need a better funnel, and you don't need 10 years of experience. What you need to understand is what you are missing in terms of a blueprint to scale your online business. And how do I know this? Well, I was focusing on the wrong thing until I realized it was all about systems in my business. And I can say that confidently because in the last week, we've generated 13K revenue for our business, and I've been sat on a beach in Cornwall enjoying life with my friends. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how I went from 0 to 30K a month in 6 months and the systems that I used in order to do that. So let's get into the video. And firstly, I just want to talk about a bit of social proof because I know people are going to want to know that I'm not some online scammer. So here you can see here, we've had 3,000 GDP, 5,000 AD, which is about 1,000 GDP, 2,000, 20,000, 30,000. This is one of my processes. I also use other processes as well. So basically this is the proof of the cash collected. We have money coming into our business, and you can see here we booked 178 calendar events and completed 138 calendar events in 30 days. We can change that to the last 7 days, and we can show that we completed 27 calendar events. So we are bringing in leads, and it was all because of the systems that we've built. So let me show you exactly what they look like. And we have 4 key systems that have absolutely revolutionized the business. So firstly, we're talking about knowing the ideal client. You can see here from the messages that I get on my Instagram that I get people saying how relatable my content is. And you can see here, I search for relatable, but also we're talking about, you can fully resonate with it. So relatable content. And that is all because I know my client, and I've systemized this whole process. And the first thing with this system is creating a template, which I have, which means I know my ideal customer to an absolute T. I use this document here, which allows me to create a great understanding of the whole picture of what this person looks like. I know this person in and out, but to take this to the next step, I actually have a ChatGPT prompt, which helps me understand James, my customer avatar. So for example, I will ask James, what did you do this morning? And I'll ask James what he did this morning. And then what it will come back is it will then say what James actually did this morning. But the reason this is important is this whole system allows me, whenever I want to go and create content, to go and jump in and ask James what he's interested in. So I'll ask him, for example, what content did you resonate with today? So I'll ask James what content he resonated with today. And then it will go in and say he enjoyed a podcast clip with Stephen Bartlett, a reel about Hyde trading. You get the idea. And that's all because I filled out this form and I systematized understanding exactly what my dream client looked like. That system allows me, whenever I'm stuck for content or wherever I'm ideating things to put into my program, I can go and ask James exactly what he struggles with and exactly what he's interested in. Knowing that ideal customer and having that as a system creates speed and creates efficiency within my business. Okay, system number 2, trust generation. If you have been watching my content for a bit of time now, you will know that I bang on about trust over and over again. And that is because people buy from people they trust. The whole ecosystem that I have built, the whole reason I film these videos is so that people go and trust me. So what we want to do is optimize a system to optimize for trust. And that comes from the trust building ecosystem. This is the ecosystem that we build for myself and also build for the clients in order to make people come to your high ticket offer and want to pay in full for multiple thousands of pounds. It really is beautiful. And this, I go into this system in a lot more depth, but it basically works about getting eyeballs on short form content or X or LinkedIn, sending them over to long form content and then getting them going round and round in the system. And that is why I've got such amazing results from my clients. You can see Ben, who we literally took him from 0 to 13.9K monthly revenue within 27 days. Josh, 6.2K monthly revenue from 0 to 6.2K monthly revenue in 62 days. Andrew, 6.6K in 35 days. Jasper, we grew his following, an engaged following, from 0 to 9K followers in 75 days. And that is why this ecosystem works so well, because we have a system around creating trust. And if you are interested in that system, quick little plug here, but if you are interested in this system and how we can use it to build your online offer to that 10, 20, 30K a month, systemize the whole thing so you can sit on beaches in Devon, go over to Greece like I'm doing, but also work on something that you're passionate about, then you know where to find the link in the description, and you can book in a call and have a completely free roadmap chat with me and our team to work out how to exactly systemize your whole business and systemize your offer. Okay, plug, done. System 3, creating Notion content. So the problem with content is if you wake up every single morning and you're thinking, how do I make content? What do I make content about? Then you are gonna massively struggle. But what we have created is and I've created firstly for myself, this media hub, which allows me to basically plan and schedule all of the content that I make. And this is what we give all of our clients as well. So for example, this is a mock-up success hub, which I've made for myself, but every single client we have gets access to their own personalized media hub. And success hub, but what we have in that is a media hub. And within that media hub, we have the ability to basically give them a whole calendar so they can plan out their whole content. What you can do is you can put days of the week, put names, attach scripts. You have long form and short form guys in here. You can talk about different platforms to put it on. You can then allow yourself to plan and regulate the status of things. So when you're writing, when you're filming, when you're editing, when you're ready to post. And also you can put notes in, which can be for yourself, or also an editor that you can then put frame.io links as well to get that all reviewed. So that is exactly why we create content systems. Because if you wake up every single day and you make content, then you're going to struggle with burnout and you're going to struggle with longevity. And all it is important in this content game is longevity. So this system here is allowing you and allows us to basically make sure that we have consistent bits of content coming out every single day. And that is all because we've created this system. Then lastly, we have an incredible sales system, because if you don't know where your leads are coming from and then you don't know how to turn your leads into paying clients, then you're really going to struggle to get to that 10, 20, 30K a month mark. So what we do is we have a 4-step system. The first is we have DM setting, where we bring people into DMs using hand raisers. We create conversations with them. We work out whether they're unaware, they're problem aware, solution aware, product aware, or most aware. We bring them along that journey. And then what we do is we bring them onto a qualification call where we take them through the firm framework, which is finances, influences, requirements, momentum, and market. We want to know if they have the budget. Do they have the authority to make the decision, or is there a business partner or a spouse who's interested? What is the requirement? Do they need this? Is this something that they want to do? And that is a really important thing for you to ask in your qualification calls. Is this a need? Because otherwise they just won't buy. Is it the right time? Momentum wise, is this the right time? Because some people need things, but they make excuses about going on holiday, or they say that they're in a position where they don't want to act on this right now because they're waiting for something at work. And then lastly, market. We want to know, are they working with anyone else? Are they looking to work with anyone else? Are we competing with anyone else? And then if they move through the qualification call and they are ready to go on a closing call, where we will then plan a whole strategy out for them to make sure that they're in a great position and plan a whole roadmap out for them, we will do that. But what we will do is nurture them before that. We will send them a sales asset, which explains the whole of the program to that person. And also we will keep connected with them. We will send them useful resources, and we will check in on them. We are just being human before this person gets on a call, which could decide whether they are ready to go with the program. And once we get people onto the program, once we get someone onto that call, we make sure that we talk about the gap, we reiterate their goals, we put a whole roadmap out for them, and then we deliver the price, and then we bring them on as clients, and we change their life, just like these people and the other hundreds of testimonials that I have. So if that is interesting to you, then you can book a call in the description. We will literally just put together a roadmap for you. It will not be a pressure sales call. You can leave your credit card at home, but we will work out if you're a good fit for the program and how we can scale your online offer. Thanks for watching.